Hello sir. See, this is our factory at Yiwu, and the machine is working it now. And this is the thresher. And there are two sterilizer to cook the palm fruits. It's bunches, empty bunches. This is palm fruits after thresher. The digester to digest the palm fruit before they press it. And this is oil. They are doing it oil now. They are producing the oil now. And the control cable, the control cabinet. And this is their product. Clay filter and the webbing sieve, the oil clarification tank. And now they are loading the palm fruits into the fruit cage. And take it into the sterilization tank. And then send it to the thresher. That thresher, they remove the fruit from bunches. And then go to the digester. After the digester, they use oil press machine to press the oil, and then there's one oil webbing sieve to remove the big impurity, and then transport to the oil clarification tank to remove the heavy impurity, and finally they transport the oil to the plate filter to get the cleaner oil, and finally use a vacuum dryer to dry the oil, to remove the water from oil so that they can keep the oil longer time. This is your oil slurry tank. This is the oil.